Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll explore the different data presentation modes and how they affect the visual representation of your data. We will also focus on the various color palettes and how they can either enhance or detract from the clarity of your image. Why is this important? In thermal imaging, the way the data is presented through color palettes and presentation modes can greatly impact how well you can interpret the data. A well-chosen palette and data presentation mode can bring new insights and clarity to your data, while poor choices can lead to more confusion. To begin, first type in the camera's IP address directly into the camera's web browser. Then, use the proper login credentials to log into the web interface. If you're having trouble turning on or connecting to the device, please refer to the previous videos for instructions on proper power-up and proper network connection. Upon logging in, you'll be given the Camera tab. The Camera tab contains all settings associated with live streaming, alarms, analytics, and camera control. Image mode. Some FLIR cameras are able to capture both thermal and visual images simultaneously. By selecting image mode within the web interface, you can choose which type of image is displayed on the screen. Please note, this feature is only available to FLIR devices with both visual and thermal cameras built in. Thermal image mode is when the camera displays a fully thermal image. Thermal MSX mode, also known as multispectral dynamic imaging mode, is when the camera displays the thermal image where details from the visual image have been added. Digital camera image mode is when the camera displays the visual image captured by the digital camera. Thermal FSX mode, also known as Flexible Scene Enhancement mode, is when the camera displays the thermal image with enhanced image details. Differences between Thermal MSX and Thermal FSX. One may wonder the differences between MSX and FSX modes. The FLIR Thermal MSX mode enhances the overall image by overlaying thermal data on top of a visual light image. The FLIR FSX mode enhances a specific area of the thermal image by fusing it with a high-resolution visual image. MSX Alignment. In thermal MSX mode, accurate image overlay is important. If thermal and invisible light images don't align properly, a parallax effect can occur. The MSX Alignment tool fixes this by adjusting the overlays. To do this, first measure the distance between the camera and the subject. Next, adjust the MSX alignment bar based on the measured distance. Finally, check the image for accuracy and make necessary adjustments. Palettes. The palette feature in the image display enables the user to visualize temperature variations through colorization. This visual representation enhances contrast and offers a qualitative view of the data. Please note, this may not always be accurate. To optimize your analysis, experiment with various palettes to find the one that is the most effective for your needs. When choosing a palette, it is important to consider factors such as target temperature, emissivity, ambient temperature, and distance to the target. Isotherm 1 and 2. By using color alarms known as isotherms, anomalies can easily be discovered in an infrared image. The isotherm command applies a contrasting color to all pixels with a temperature above, below, or between the set temperature levels. Auto Adjust Region. By using the Auto Adjust Region feature, it is possible to select an area of the image and then have the colorization of the image adjusted based on the temperature within the selected area. This concludes our video on the different data presentation modes on your FLIR camera's web interface. Please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up with all our latest videos. And if you have any questions or need assistance, please email us at info@movitherm.com. As always, we want to thank you for choosing Movitherm. Until next time.